है। क्या आपको भी द यूज़ करते समय प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं? यू ऑफन गेट स्टक कि कब आपको द यूज़ करना है, कब नहीं करना है। तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए हो सकती है। इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे व्हेन टू यूज़ द एंड व्हेन नॉट टू यूज़ द। चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट जो आपको याद रखना है दैट इज वी यूज़ द बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन। सो वेन एवर यू टॉक अबाउट डायरेक्शंस, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ, always use the. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Second point, whenever you talk about superlative degree, strongest, hardest, finest, sharpest, tallest, shortest, हम यूज़ करते हैं the. She is the tallest girl in the class. He is the fastest boy in my class. This is the sweetest fruit I have ever had. So whenever you use superlative degree, आपको हमेशा द यूज़ करना है. थर्ड पॉइंट, बिफोर हिस्टोरिकल मोन्यूमेंट्स, वेन एवर यू टॉक अबाउट हिस्टोरिकल मोन्यूमेंट्स, ताजमहल, कुतुब मीनार, चार मीनार, हमेशा आपको द यूज़ करना है. द ताजमहल वॉज बिल्ट इन 16th century. The Red Fort is made of red sandstones. The Charminar is in Hyderabad. Though there are some exceptions, like इंडिया गेट के पहले हम नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, टाटा गैलरी के पहले हम लोग नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, लंदन ब्रिज वी डू नॉट यूज़ द. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स, आई मीन एक्सेप्शंस जो आपको याद रखने हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Before common public places, whenever we talk about common public places, I'm going to the gym, they are going to the park, are you going to the hotel, she is coming from the restaurant. So जब भी आप बात करते हैं about common public places, always use the. We have to go to the bus stop, she is going to pick me up from the railway station, I am about to leave for the airport. Next point, before the names of rivers, oceans, group of islands, mountain ranges, हमेशा आपको द यूज़ करना है. द गंगा is the longest river in India. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest and the largest ocean in the world. The Bay of Bengal is close to Kolkata. Group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar, the Lakshadweep, the West Indies. So जब भी आप बात करते हैं about group of islands, mountain ranges, group of names of rivers, always use the. Next point, before unique things. So whenever we talk about unique things, we always use the. अब सबसे पहले the question is what we refer to unique things. Unique things होती क्या है? So all those things that are one of its kind. We have no other things like that. We can say sun, moon, earth, world, atmosphere, environment, equator, horizon, and so on. The sun rises in the east. The earth revolves around the sun. The moon revolves around the earth. The world is a nice place. Next point, बिफोर इन्वेंशंस. सो जब भी हम लोग बात करते हैं अबाउट इन्वेंशंस, वी ऑलवेज यूज द. हु इन्वेंटेड द टेलीविजन? J.L. Baird invented the computer. I am going to talk about the internet. Next point, before the names of certain countries, कुछ ऐसे देश हैं, there are certain countries जिनके नाम से पहले हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं द. These countries are actually not countries, they are a combination of one or maybe more than one countries. USA, the USA. It is not UK, it is the UK. It is not UAE, it is the UAE. The Czech Republic, the Netherlands, the Philippines. So these are some of the names of the countries. Before them we always have to use the. Now we'll talk about the pronunciation of the word the. Sometimes we pronounce it the and sometimes we pronounce it the. Let's talk about it. So if you use the just before a consonant sound, अगर आप कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के पहले यूज करते हैं, इन दैट केस यू प्रोनाउंस इट द. And if you are going to use it just before a vowel sound, in that case we pronounce it the. The end, the enemy, the atmosphere, the earnings. On the other hand, the world, the country. So these are some of the points that we talked about in this video. I hope after going through this video you won't have problems in using the. For this video, that's all. I'll talk in another video about when not to use the. Thank you so much.